Welcome to Nalla Narasimhareddy Education Society group of institutions. This is Kameshwari. My subject Geotechnical Engineering, third year, first semester. So today we are going to discuss about one related problem regarding pressure distribution diagrams. We are already discussed in previous classes. This is related to unit 2. In that unit, permeability and then total neutral effective stresses. In permeability, already you can discuss what are the laboratory tests, different types of laboratory test, and connection head permeability test and variable head permeability test, and also capillary rise that are we are discussed in previous classes. Now today we are discuss about one problem. So before going to solve the problem, what is the first step for solving any problem? The first step is read out problem carefully. The first step is read out problem carefully, and next step is write given data and what are the data required for solving that particular problem. That formula will be available or not. First of all, you can know that one. So first read out a saturated sand layer over a clay layer. Saturated sand layer over a clay layer is 5 meters in depth. The water is 1.5 meters below ground level, 1.5 meters below. Overall depth is 5 meters and the water is 1.5 meters below ground level. If the bulk density of saturated sand is 1.8 gram per cc, so gram per cc, calculate the effective and total pressure on the top of the clay. So first draw the pressure distribution diagram. What is the data is given? Given data. Saturated bulk unit weight, bulk density, gamma, is equal to 1.8 gram per cc. Otherwise, another units kilonewton per meter cube. First, draw the diagram. That is equal to the overall depth is clay stratum is 5 meters. 5 meters. Overall depth is 5 meters and water table is 1.5 below ground level. So this is ground level. 1.5 meters below water table. Water table is located at a depth of 1.5 meters below. So below, this is water table. This is water table. Remaining part 3.5. 3.5 meters. 3.5 meters. So ground level, this is sand, this is clay layer, overall thickness is 5 meters. So we can calculate effective and neutral stress on the top of the clay layer. So what is the formula for total stress? Total stress sigma is equal to that particular layer unit weight multiplied by height, that layer height. So suppose this is the total stress. but here only given only gamma. So gamma is related to, but here given saturated sand. So below the water table already saturation, above the water also due to capillary moisture content. So we can use two cases, gamma 1.8. So here gamma into H, here gamma into Z. So gamma will be common. So that is equal to 1.8 into 5. And the next, neutral stress is equal to, neutral stress sigma is equal to gamma W into H. That means that layer unit weight multiplied by height. Unit weight value is not given, but you can take it as 9.81, 9.81. Otherwise 10 gram per 1 gram per cc, 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube or 1 gram per cc. So now we can solve the total stress. Total stress. Here total effective pressures. Total stress or total pressure. Total pressure sigma is equal to, what is gamma? 1.8 into 5. 1.8 into 5. Here gamma into H. Here also gamma into H plus gamma into Z. And next gamma W into H. Gamma W into H. And effective stress is equal to total minus neutral stress. Total minus neutral stress. Gamma W into H and gamma sigma minus sigma dash is equal to sigma minus u. Gamma sat into H minus, so that is equal to sigma minus u. Eight into 5 is equal to 1.8 into 5 is equal to 9 gram per cc. Here units will be gram per cc. Next, neutral stress is equal to neutral pressure is equal to, that indicated by unit weight of water into height. So here we can calculate the unit weight of water in particular layer, 3.5. So 3.5, 9.81, 9 kilonewton per meter cube. But here gram per cc, 1 gram per cc into 3.5. 3.5. So that is equal to 3.5 gram per cc. Next, effective stress is equal to effective stress sigma dash is equal to sigma minus u. That means total pressure minus neutral pressure. 9 minus 3.5, that is equal to 4.5. 9 minus 3.5. So 9 minus 3.5 is equal to 4.5 gram per cc. Gram per cc. This value substitute in graph. This is entirely 9 gram per cc, and this is 3.5 and 4.5, and effective stress is equal to 4.5 gram per cc. So complete the problem. So here unit weight of water gamma W we can take as 1 gram per cc. Here we can take as 1 gram per cc. So here given the problem, overall thickness 5 meters, but water table accredited at 1.5. So saturated sand already given. So 1.8. 1.8 overall height, 1.8 multiplied by 5, so 9 gram per cc. So unit weight for second layer, gamma W into H, that means 1 gram per cc into 3.5, and we can calculate effective stress is equal to sigma minus u, that is equal to 4.5. Thank you.